Hello everyone, welcome to JN Electric YouTube channel. At the beginning of the new year's 2024, JN Electric want to convey something. The biggest battle about the audio power amplifier Accuphase P-4600 against PASSLAB X150.8. In the content, this video creator talk about the technical specification of the two power amplifiers. And JN Electric does not intend to bring down any brand of power amplifiers. And let's watch the video. Output power is how much power is put into the speakers. Accuphase P-4600 can be loaded into 2 ohm speakers per channel. Weight is an important factor for audio power amplifier enthusiasts. PASSLAB X150.8 is 22 pounds heavier. Signal-to-noise ratio is the ratio between the desired information or the power of the signal and the undesired signal. Accuphase is slightly ahead of PASSLAB. The price of the PASSLAB power amplifier is about 1.5 times the price of Accuphase. Do you choose the expensive one or the cheap one? The display is an indicator indicating instrument what is the power output. This device has a PMMC permanent magnet moving coil system. I prefer PASSLAB. Total power consumption is how much energy is absorbed by the total amplifier unit. The Accuphase P-4600 is more economical at 120 watts. Damping factor is the ability of an amplifier to control the speaker when it stops and moves. In fact, Accuphase is better. Hopefully, next time PASSLAB is better. A frequency response is a visual representation how well an audio component reproduces the audible range of sound. PASSLAB is superior in both low and high sound reproduction. Standby power consumption is how much energy is absorbed by the unit amplifier when it is not operating. Accuphase absorbs only 0.3 watt of energy. Many people prefer a larger volume than a small one. From PASSLAB's data, the volume is greater than Accuphase. Total harmonic distortion is a value of measurement given to the difference between the input signal and the output signal from the amplifier. Accuphase goes one step further. Gain or decibel unit is the ratio of output power to input, or the formula 10 log 10 power output per power input. Accuphase P-4600 is 2 decibel higher than PASSLAB. Capacitors are important component in an amplifier. It functions to filter the voltage coming out of the diode rectifier. Capacitor capacity is 25% higher than Accuphase. The speaker selector switch is not necessary for a power amplifier. And I hope that PASSLAB will provide for future design. A warranty is necessary if you buy electronic equipment, because when you use the item, it will definitely be damaged. During the warranty, you can complain. Accuphase has 6 pairs of transistors on each channel. I asked the audience to give me the actual number, real value. Many audio enthusiasts prefer a larger transformer than a small one. Based on the PASSLAB literature, the transformer capacity is 800 watts. Grounding the terminal at the back of panel is a very important terminal for connecting it to the ground. PASSLAB has it, but Accuphase does not have it. Accuphase has two pairs of speaker terminals, while PASSLAB only has one pair. I hope that in future design, PASSLAB adds its installation of the power switch behind the panel is important to keep it out of the reach of children. And I think that the PASSLAB design is safer. It has one advantage over Accuphase. It has a switch for the normal version and a bridge mode that is behind the panel. Accuphase with golden color. These are 6 pairs of transistors arranged neatly on a heatsink. There are 2 sections on this heatsink, namely the positive side and the negative side. And I also did not forget to display the name of the components above the heatsink. In the bridge connection, you must need 2 power amplifiers. And this is how the bridge connection of the power amplifier works. Basically, electronic technician can change the circuit into a bridge connection circuit. Now, I will invite you what is behind the speaker terminal. There are several MOSFET for protection of the speaker. There are capacitor, resistor, and other IC on top of the SMD PCB. Basically, the PASSLAB X150.8 series model is very simple, and there are not many buttons on the front panel. This power amplifier has a very big heatsink. I think this is quite good at absorbing heat from the transistor. Active component and passive component are installed properly on the green PCB. And on the back of panel are something terminal that look strong and heavy duty, and I trust PASSLAB that these are pretty good one. Based on the data that I have collected in this video segment, I can see that the winner is the Accuphase P-4600. Thank you for watching.